Hi, I'm Chuck with ABR Industries. We've got some new products that we're selling through the HRO stores. The first one today is what we're starting to call as our universal FME kits. We're doing them in a couple different sizes. We're doing them in the 240 Ultraflex, as well as doing it in the 316. The kits come as 3-footers or 6-footers, and they come with all the different connection options that you might need. So as you're sitting there with your Go Packs and everything else, you're going to be using an adapter anyways, but what's really slick about this piece is once it goes in there and locks into place, it looks like a seamless connector. So you can tighten it down a little bit, but it can be also hand tightened. It comes with PLs, BNCs, SMAs, you name it. So the configuration can also change to whatever fit that you might need out there. It can also be made in other non-standard lengths too, so don't be afraid to ask if you need something special. And that's been, like I said, one of the new products we've focused on here. And then the other thing, which we do definitely have in the stores now, is for the POTA crowd, of course, with the high-res yellow. Now the sheath is oil and gas resistant. It's designed to be rubbed against the ground and everything else. Anything like water or anything will just sheen right off. You just wipe it right down, you're good to go. It's made with our 240, so it's a double shielded, stranded center conductor. Bend radius is 2 inches, and you can get it with the PL 259s and the 5 ferrites that are installed. So you're good to go with any setup that you might have for POTA, for your home, for an RV, traveling, whatever your needs are. This product here will definitely take care of everything that you need. And don't be afraid to ask them, because we also do stock the BNC 316 assemblies at the stores now too. We have them in 15 and 25 footers. So if you're a backpacker, a soda guy, you're climbing a mountain and you want something lighter weight than this, you've got this other option as well. So thank you very much. I appreciate it.